An air fryer makes delicious food. It's very easy to use. It doesn't necessarily use Teflon. It's typically a copper or metal-based surface. You can even put something on top of that surface. It sits right in your counter. You can just kind of let it do its thing. The only issue is that foods cooked at higher temperatures tend to accumulate more carcinogenic-based compounds. Now, there are ways around this. One of the good news is if you're cooking meat or fish, you can squeeze some lemon. You can put some olive oil on the outside. You can add a little bit of rosemary, lemon juice, rosemary, olive oil. 3 powerful ways to basically coat whatever you're cooking in an antioxidant that will not allow for the same level of oxidation. So great. If it's a starch, starches can create or accumulate what are called acrylamides. That is from the burning, the crispiness, all of those things. That can be mitigated to a degree with the same olive oil, rosemary, lemon if you want the lemon on there, but also not letting it overcook. That's a big thing too. So I don't think that there is a perfect way to cook. In Ayurveda, it was low and slow. No smoke, no high flames on it, no high heat. That, if we looked in an ideal world, it might be. That might be the ideal way to cook. It's not how most of us cook. Difficult to cook that way. The only people that typically cook that way are people that are smoking, something. They cook it for hours at a low heat, but then it's getting the smoke from the carcinogens. So, I've learned to say, we humans, we cook. That's what we do. What we want to do is try to add some antioxidant to whatever we're cooking and also have antioxidant-based food with it. Salad, vegetables, things of that nature.
Thanks so much for tuning into today's show. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I want to make sure that you're getting our daily content, not missing out on anything. Functional medicine, wellness, weight gain, weight loss, anti-aging, living longer, stronger, and all of the most cutting-edge research. And if there's any topics you want to hear, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care.